Welcome back, everybody. It's your boy, Clammy Hands.
I'm your host, Clammy Dude, back at it again. It's your boy, it's your child.
I'm just kidding, that's not my name. It is Police Bike Rider. I am going out for a quick ride. Guess I'll get my leather jacket on. It is way too warm to be wearing it, but whatever. I'm just trying up a new setup. I am trying a new setup on the GoPro. And I wanted to bring you guys along. It's dark out, y'all probably won't be able to see anything, but I guess we can talk for a little while. I have not rode today. I went to work, but I used a car because it was raining, and yeah, I know. I'm supposed to be riding every day. It's whatever. Come on, dang it, close. There we go. And, well, hopefully this setup will eradicate or mitigate, whatever the word is, me having to use a external recorder. If it does not, I'm gonna be a little sad, because I don't like using the external recorder. Actually, I don't hate it. It's not the worst thing in the world. It's a bit inconvenient, especially when I do like an hour-long ride and then I get back and I don't have any good footage because all the audio is ruined. And the other kind of annoying thing is this helmet, when I close it, you could probably hear the difference. It muddles my voice a lot and it kind of makes it sound like I'm in a box. There's nothing I can really do to change that except maybe get a different helmet. But this one was expensive, and it was fitted to it fits my head perfectly. So I don't think I'm gonna change that. If I ever change that, it'll be because I have the money, and so I can have multiple helmets. But for now, this is the helmet that I'm gonna have. Ooh, check out the lights. Yeah, so hopefully this works. I don't know if I've mentioned this. Maybe I mentioned it once in the video. There will be more coming, by the way. I just have to actually. I don't have time during the week to do these videos. I would if the sun didn't go down at 5 o'clock. But since the sun goes down, I don't have time to do reviews. During the summer, that will change completely. And it might change pretty soon if I get this new job. I will have an entire week off during the month where I don't have to work, so I can make videos and stuff. But I did want to mention, because I'm not sure if I already have, that I will be changing the color of this bike soon. Soon is a relative term because I'm so broke, and I'm sure a lot of people can relate to that. I will be changing it, and I'll be revealing the idea pretty soon. I was going to take suggestions on what I should do and get a poll on what you all would think it would, like how it should look, what y'all think would be the best color and design. But for this first round, I'm not going to do that. And here's the simple reason. I have an idea that I really want to do, and I don't know how to explain this without seeming rude. I just don't want anybody else. I don't care what anybody else thinks about it. It's just the idea that I want to do it. I'm gonna do it. Why you gotta be so rude? So I'm kind of leaving you guys out of the actual design and color process, like choosing it. But you will actually get to know ahead of time what it'll look like. I tried really hard to Photoshop how I want it to look, but I'm not good at that. So if anybody does Photoshop and wants to hit me up and say, hey, I'd like to Photoshop the color and the design that you want onto a side picture of your bike so that people can see what it looks like and you can see what it looks like before you even do it, that'd be awesome. But for the moment, it's going to just remain a drawing on a piece of paper. So I think that'll be a separate video on what color and what it's going to look like, because I want to do like a screen share so you guys can actually see it. I might actually have, or I might ask Small Engine Velocity if he can help me out with that, because I'm not great at that kind of stuff and I'm still super new to all of this. But anyway, All right. Good old vintage park walk around or drive around or whatever. I wonder if I stuff this down a little bit, if it's... Nope, that's not better. I love how if I put myself in second gear and just let go of the throttle, it just sits at 11 miles per hour, and I can go through places like this without having to like hold on to it or like worry about jerking forward or anything like that. I can just focus. Do a little U-turn here, go back the other way, because that was fun, but I kind of wanted to get the full view. Ready for this? Second gear, 11 miles per hour, and just let it sit there. And it'll actually go up a decent hill at 11 miles per hour. It's pretty cool. Alright, I'll try and keep my camera a little steadier. Wonder what's happening over here. Did they do like carols or something? Is something special going on? Yeah, they got music going. If I go around to the other side, will I see more? Hey look, joy! Yeah, I wish I had that in my life. I'm just kidding. Speed up! The gentle art of dentistry. When has dentistry ever been whatever, I botched that. Shotgun! Hello, Uncle Drew. Welcome to Star Cinema Grill. Alright, Vantage Pack. We'll see you later. When we'll let this person come out of their parking spot. Real slow like. Alright, see you later. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna have to do a U-turn. Okay, definitely stop at that stop sign. Adios. I forgot I had the visor up. It's just a little bit warm out here, so I wanted it up. Gosh, I keep forgetting to turn my turn signal off. So anyways, I just wanted to test this out, see what it sounded like, see if I had to talk louder or if I have to talk quieter, if you can even hear me. That's my version of whispering. No, and yeah, so we'll see. I don't know if I'll even post this. I doubt it. Maybe just as kind of like a little, hey, new things are coming, I'm fixing errors and working out bugs and stuff. You know, all those roaches. Should I beat this Mustang? No, it's wet out. I shouldn't do that. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Sorry you can't see me, and I'm sure you probably couldn't see anything because it's so dark out except for his brake lights. They're fantastic. So yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you all later. Peace out. Ooh, Porsche. Beautiful. Oh, green light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Green light. My bike is screaming. Willie. I need new tires, because I don't have any traction. Yay. Gotta get me some McFood. Oh, okay. Alright, so turn my brights on. You don't see me. I don't see you. Just gonna keep going. Thanks for giving me room. Alright, everybody. Well, that was it. I just wanted to test out everything. See how this sounds. You know, I just love riding in the rain and on the wetness and making my bike all dirty and stuff. Yeah, it's my favorite. I just love it. So yeah, thanks for watching. New things are coming, new good things, new great things, new things, because they won't be old. And y'all have a good night.